Hello everyone. E-Lecture 14 is prepared for RTU syllabus Radar and TV Engineering for 8th semester EC student. In this lecture, we will going to discuss about satellite television system. Okay. So this is the diagram of the satellite TV system. Okay. In satellite TV systems have two portions. First portion is ground stations, second portion is satellite stations. Now we discuss about the satellite stations. Okay, in satellite station there are the two portions also. First portion is uplink signal system and second is downlink signal system. Okay, basically uplink signal system is also known as receiver section, and downlink signal system is transmission section. Okay, uplink signal system basically it receives the signal from the earth broadcast center. Okay, and downlink system it broadcast the signal to large surface of the earth for user. Okay, so the concept of the satellite TV system is that at earth station there are the number of the channels, program channels, number of program channels. They record the program and send to the common broadcast center. Okay, at earth station. In broadcast center collect the all the information from the all the channels, and collect all the program from the channels and combine signal to send to the satellite geostationary satellite especially. Okay, for television we use geostationary satellite system. Okay, then the satellite uplink system receive the signal from the earth broadcast center and send to the input filter. Okay, the uplink frequency may be 5, 9 or 6 or 4 gigahertz. Okay, the input filter basically send a particular band and remove others undesirable signals. Okay, after filtering the signal sent to the amplifier. Here is 6 gigahertz amplifier. Okay, it amplify uh, receive signal and send to the mixer. Basically mixer is a frequency converter. It convert the frequency 6 gigahertz to 4 gigahertz. Okay, so here also a oscillator generate the 2 gigahertz frequency, local oscillator. So the output of the frequency output of the mixer 6 minus 2 equal to 4 gigahertz. This is the down frequency from the 6 gigahertz frequency, and then we send to the amplifier, enhance the power level of the 4 gigahertz frequency, and then we send complete signal into the input multiplexer, multiplex all the channels, and then we send the TWT amplifier, that's traveling wave tube amplifier. This is the high power microwave amplifier. Basically it amplifies the high level of the power of the signal, and then we send to the output multiplex and send to the downlink signal system. The downlink signal system consists of the transmitter antennas. Okay, the downlink systems may be frequency 737 or 4 to 2 gigahertz. Always remember the uplink frequency and downlink frequency not same. It should depend due to the remove the interference from transmitting to receiving. So in that case, we use the 6 GHz frequency as a uplink and 4 GHz frequency as a downlink. Okay. So at downlink system, the all the channel frequency, all the channel information broadcast large surface of the earth. At earth station, the user receive the signal from the satellite through the dish antenna. Okay. Basically, this antenna is parabolic structure. It receive the signal incident of the parabolic structure and reflect back a particular point. That point is called focus. And focus we added detector. It detect the receive signal and send to the TV receiver. Okay. A TV receiver have a encoding process. It encode the particular channels. Okay. This is based on the packaging. Okay. Paying packaging. Okay. We only select the authorized channel. Only select the authorized channels. Okay. The transponder, the word transponder is derived from the word transmitter and responder. Okay. So the meaning of the transponder is transmitter and responder. This means that transponder receives the signal and rebroadcast the signal. Okay. The meaning of this, the transponder receive the signal and send to the, basically transponder is combination of transmitter and receiver. Okay. Uplink stations. Satellite uplink stations are large earth-based broadcasting unit designed to transmit a tight beam of information to orbital satellite. Okay, uplink station at Earth station, they are the load of the station sent to the satellite. The information sent to the satellite. Okay, according different program channels have different satellite systems stations. So they send to the directly the satellite. They look like a large upward facing satellites. Okay. Channel. Most television satellites carry 24 to 56 transponder. Most television systems use generally 24 to 56 transponder. Each transponder is capable of receiving, amplifying, broadcasting compressed stream of data carrying multiple channels. Okay. Analog satellite system can broadcast around 30 channels per transponder. But in case of the digital system, use compressor techniques to carry up to 200 channels on a single transponder. Okay. Analog system only able to broadcast 30 channels per transponder, but in case of digital system, up to 200 channels on a single transponder can be broadcast. Television broadcasts are designed to retransmit receive signal at a different frequency than the uplink signal to avoid interference. Television dish and receiver. The dish receiver that sits on the top of the television customer homes. Basically, this is the dish antenna. Is similar in made to rabbit ear television antenna. Its function is to receive the and focus the signal broadcast by the orbital transponder. Okay, we move the this antenna a particular direction, according the transponder. The signal of interference and noise and robust signal to the satellite receiver attached to the television. In switching channel, the customer interrupt the receiver to decode and display various data stream broadcast by different transponder about the orbital satellite. Okay.